So the reason I typically recommend for most businesses to do a rebuild of their website is because my websites are custom coded. So most websites rely on WordPress or Wix or another template builder. These are bloated. They come with a lot of extra features, which slows down your site on mobile. And then typically a lot of businesses have poor performing websites on mobile. So when I rebuild that website, I'm rebuilding it fast for mobile and for desktop, and then helping that to also convert. So since I work with a lot of clients and have rebuilt a lot of websites, I get to see what actually converts well for websites in terms of the pages and how we structure them and set it up. And then I can do a lot more with the SEO and everything for these custom coded sites. So overall, it sets you up for a better long-term foundation for your website. It also enables me to work a lot faster. So my clients just text me or email me whenever they have an update to their website, and then I can just quickly get that change in for them. So no longer do they need to do it themselves or find another way to do it. I can just quickly do it for them.